Hi, today we are going to look into how to use ChatGPT to create engaging, clickable blog post titles. Now, the best thing about ChatGPT is you can give it a simple prompt, tell it to do some research, and it will actually go through and browse the internet, finding the information it needs, and then it can apply that to your next set of prompts. So here we go, we've got user target keywords. So for our blog post, we will have our keyword, create a curiosity gap, so that is something that people, it plays to them, makes them want to click it. Numbers and lists, that is correct, but that is more so talking about the blog post in general. Tap into emotions. Now this is very important. Power words, they trigger, well, there you go, emotional triggers can make your titles more engaging and clickable. Be controversial but truthful. So there's a lot of things here that do get the reader or the viewer wanting to click that link. So after it's done its research, let's give it my blog. So in the previous videos we've seen I'm creating a blog post on low maintenance lawns, and my first pillar post was Ultimate Guide to Low Maintenance Lawn Care for Busy Homeowners. So we want Chat to create a title using the primary keyword, which is very long in this instance, and we don't want it to be more than 60 characters long. That way it displays correctly on Google. So now we've given it that, it's going to come up with a few options. 5 options: low maintenance lawn care hacks for busy homeowners, quick and easy. Low maintenance lawn care tips for every busy homeowner must know. That's not bad. Low maintenance lawn care, 10 easy tips for busy homeowners. So you can see here that they're actually all pretty good, though I'm wondering if a couple of these are over 60 characters. That's easy enough to figure out. Now, as I mentioned up here, I'm a big believer in using power words, also uncommon words, emotional words, and common words. I've got a slight rule for that. So we want to use at least one power word. 10 to 15% should be emotional words, 10 to 20% uncommon words, 20 to 30% common words. What this does, it creates a more unique title that resonates with people. People will see that, they'll see the power word, they'll catch the emotion, and it's more likely to get their attention and make them want to click. So let's give this to Chat and see what it comes up with. Ultimate low maintenance lawn care for busy homeowners. Busy ultimate effortless lawn care tips for busy homeowners. Quick low maintenance lawn care tips. Lazy lawn care. I like that. Low maintenance lawn care secrets every homeowner needs. I don't mind that, but that's a bit long. Stress-free lawn care for busy homeowners. Don't mind that either. I actually quite like all of these, so I don't know why it's doing so many bracketed ones, but there you go. That's pretty much it. A very quick, easy way to create titles. You can then use your own personal opinion. Obviously, your niche, you will understand what will work with your audience better. You can go through, select a title, chuck it into your post, and get to work writing it. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one.